Here is a 5-inch Galatop made by Woozoo USB electric desk fan. It has an actual cord, but it also has a converter where it converts the electricity to direct current, so it's able to spin the fan. It does have the Woozoo ill blade design, so let's take it out and let's see what we're doing with it. It's a little tiny small fan. Don't get too excited. It's going to be used over by the computer. And there's your manual. Now, I know the studio don't have the best lighting because, again, I'm not over at the studio table, so let me just put some light on. Alright, there you go. There's the fan manual. It's some kind of thank you letter or some type of card they give you. I have no idea. Alright. Alright, so here's the fan. It's got deep pitch Woozoo blades. That's the L blade design. You've seen that blade design many times before. You've seen this blade design many times before on all the Woozoo fans. It's basically a rebranded Woozoo from Galatop. I know you can't see it too well. The stinking camera won't focus. I don't know what's wrong with it. There it goes. Yeah, Galatop. And there you go. However, it also has a cord. And there's no stinking fuse either, so it's a DC motor. That's the reason why I don't need a stinking fuse. It's a brushless motor. Not an AC motor, but a brushless motor with an AC cord, and it has a converter that converts the power to DC from electric. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get you guys set up at the table, and then we're going to run it. I'm going to put it over there by the computer. Hold on. Alright, here we are at the table. Now let's go ahead and get ready to run it. You might hear the wind stream, you might not hear the wind stream because it's a tiny baby fan. So if you don't hear the wind stream, well, my apologies to you. I'll try to do a better video of it next time. You have to understand it's a tiny baby fan. Maybe I'll try to get a video of it once I get it over there by the computer and get it going over there. I'll try to do a video and add that clip to the same video I'm filming right now, so that way you guys can kind of hear the wind stream. So I'll do that. But right now, let's go ahead and run it, and here we go. Low, medium, full power. You might be able to hear the wind stream. You might not be able to hear the wind stream. This thing moves the air quite far, even though it's a tiny fan. It has a lot of power for a little tiny fan with those deep pitch blades. You're not going to hear this thing running, so don't worry about it. It's a tiny little fan.
Tens of thousands of dollars in your head, working full time, oftentimes multiple jobs.
I had over $43,000 in debt. That's what I call national debt relief. There was hope that came.
All right, let's spin it down.
Feelings of shame really evaporated.
They treat me like a real person, not a number. Whether it's
Spin down time is pretty decent for a little lightweight, deep pitch blade. That's how you know it's brushless. So it is a DC motor, it is brushless. Yes, it has an AC cord on it, but it also has a converter that converts the electrical power to DC power so it can run the fan. The mount the fan, man, and out. This is not it for the video yet. I might have a video clip now showing you guys the fan running over at the computer. Then I'll end the video. Hold on. Right, so let's see it run over here now. Low, medium, full power. This thing got some power to it. Galatop. I've had some of their fans before in the past, but this is the first time they let Wuzu make it for them. This thing has a lot of power. It's about 6.8 watts, basically 7 watts. So for a little tiny fan like this, thing is blowing quite a bit of wind. Spin down time again. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. There you go. Everybody should be happy. There's a fan video for you. I got more fan videos on the way, more unboxings. I got the P23 coming tomorrow. And then Sunday, I have 2 of them coming. I have that Vornado basic high velocity box fan. And then that vintage 1971 Lasco 12-inch blue bladed desk fan. And that's going to be it. I'm already retired. I'm just waiting for these machines to come in. Thanks for watching. The Mount Fan Man, and out.